ready?
Yeah.
You ready to do this? You know what day it is?
Yeah.
What day is it?
The daisy.
It's Boxycharm Day.
Yay.
You ready? Okay. Are you sure? Because you don't seem ready. Hey everybody, we're back and it is Boxycharm Day. So Tita already has some random makeup that she's playing with, and let me tell you, it was a long day because we were vlogging our day. So that'll be out after this one. Check it out whenever it's out. Let's just jump into it. Boxycharm actually gave me a card. I will link my IPSY video below because they did not give me any info on the box I got this month. So this one is Adore, Upgrade, blah, 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 Boxy Pop-Up, blah, blah, blah. Oh, here we go. So this box is 28. Let's just jump into it.
What is that?
Oh, here, I'll open it. This is from an old box that we got. But I don't see any makeup in this box. So the first thing I see, which is the biggest, is sponges. These are Luxie Complete Sponge Set. And this retails for $40. This set of sponges provides a full array of application. You what?
A cow.
What?
A cow.
It's a cow?
Yeah.
What? A full array of applications. Each spun is built with different densities, water retention rates, and shapes. These sponges are the ideal complement to your brush set to obtain perfect complexion and impeccable look. Okay, let's open her up. Oh, she just pushes out. It is just a set of sponges. I mean, this is cool because I'll use them. So one has like a point on each side. One is your basic sponge, which is similar. This is pretty much what I use, but from Real Techniques. And then this is not lipstick. This is highlighter. You don't put that on your lips. You put it on your face. Thank you. And then one is a little like baby egg shaped. What is this for? I don't know. I use one like this. I don't know what I would use these other two for. I have no clue. Oh, you broke it already? Jeez. Oh man, it's okay. We got more. There, Mama fixed it. Okay. So I mean, this is cool because I'll use it, but I would have totally have rathered something different. Next thing is this Supernova Moisture and Shine Cream. Smells perfumey. You want to smell it?
Yeah.
No, don't squeeze it out.
It's mine.
Here. It's ours. There, rub your hands together. And let me know if you like it. Rub your hands together. Okay, rub it on your knee. How does it feel?
Yeah.
Feels good?
Yeah.
Cool. So this is $25. Moisture Plus Shine Cream. Lightweight leave-in cream that provides superior hydration, detangling. Okay, this is for your hair, so it's not a lotion. It is for your hair. Leave-in hair, super natural soft. No, this is to put in your hair, not. Oh no, you dropped the. Dude, we're gonna have to like throw this out, man. Okay, next thing I see is this. It is Perform 1 Correcting Primer, Energize and Rescue with Alloy, Coconut Water, and Probiotics. This one is $17, 4-in-1, blah, blah, blah. Become Your Beauty Must-Have. Beauty Tonic and Primer for your best and worst skin days, packed with good-for-you skin ingredients. Okay, let me feel it, because I just need to. It is lightweight. It's, what kind of primer does this remind me of? It is getting tacky. Reminds me of more of a lotion primer. And not like, whoa, you made a mess there.
It's black.
Yeah, it is. Well, it's a dark brown, but I don't know. It's not, it feels more like a lotion primer, not like that silky, smooth. Anyway, the next thing is Kate Somerville. This box, pretty heavy duty feeling. No. Smooth and firm. Comes in a pretty hefty duty bottle. I'd say that this Boxycharm is not very Tita friendly. There's not much that she can play with here. Here. Oh, here, use this. Put this lipstick on. So this bad boy is $100. Wow. I mean, this bottle feels, it's a heavy duty, like, it's a solid bottle with probably very little product in it. Yeah, 1 fluid ounce. No, you cannot hold this. Specially formulated, okay, Kate specially formulated this highly active concentrate to transform dull sagging skin into visibly firmer, smoother, refreshed looking skin after just 1 week. 90% of women reported their skin appeared visibly tighter. Okay, well, I'm going to use this tonight, so there's that. Let me smell it. I have to smell everything.
I got on my shirt.
You got it on your, dang. Okay, we'll change your shirt in a minute. This does not smell good. It smells bad. It smells like it would work. Okay, let's just put it that way. It smells like it would work. Next thing is, of course, because I'm always getting brushes.
On my shirt.
We'll take your shirt off in a minute. Everybody doesn't need to see your chi-chi. This is $27.95 Moda 5-piece brush kit. This line features superior quality, filaments in modern, professional shapes. No, we're not opening this. This came from the IPSY box. It is a regenerating sleep mask, so that's cool. I should be using that. So we got some brushes here. I've been getting brushes a lot, and I just got a set in my IPSY box, and I don't want face brushes, so this is good because they are all like for eyeshadow, which makes me happy because I don't mind those so much. So one is a crease brush, one is a smudge, shade, detail, and liner. I could use a new liner brush, so that's cool. Detail, shade, that's cool. Crease, they feel nice. I would actually keep these because I might use them. Occasionally I use some of the eyeshadow brushes. We're not coloring. Did you stick your brush in the lipstick? You don't do that. What the heck, man?
This time.
No, these ones are going to be for Mama. You have all those brushes. So this is cool. Did I say it was 27, right? I said 27. Let me see. $27.95.
Oh no,
Attitude.
my shirt.
No, you don't take your shirt off yet. We'll take your shirt off in just a minute, okay? See? So that's this box. I don't know the total of it. People, let's say 100, 140, 65, 200. So just over $200 for this box. Do I love this box? Not really. I'm just keeping it real because I got like a hair treatment type of cream like this before, and I actually hated it because when I use it, it almost makes the hair hard in those areas, so I don't like that. This primer, I mean, I might try it, but I have some that I really love, so, I mean, I'll try this, and if it's good, then that's awesome. I'm definitely going to try this. Mostly because, I don't know, I always like am intrigued by the expensive stuff because I feel like, oh, this must be amazing. The sponges, I mean, they're cool. I'm going to use them, but I would have like totally have been down for something other than the sponges. So that's all of it, right? Yeah, that's everything. It is what it is. This month, I feel like my beauty subscriptions really like sucked so bad. I'm hoping that next month maybe like... No, we're not going to do that makeup right now. I hope that next month is a lot better than this month. Okay, fine. Here, come on, sit down. That's her desk. That's her makeup here. Okay. Does anybody else have daughters that are obsessed with makeup? Because this one is. And I don't know how I'm going to fit all of my girls into the video once they're all ready to like be in the videos like these videos. But if your daughters are like this, let me know in the comments because I'm sure it's so cute. But it can be stressful and messy. But I like to let her do her own thing and, you know, experiment and, you know, explore her creativity through makeup because that's what I did. Anyway, because I'm trailing off as I normally do, if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. We'll try it again. Here you go.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Anyway, if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things.